Hey guys, how's it going? How to track site traffic on Bluehost. First of all, you need to go ahead to the official website and choose your plan, okay? And after you've chosen your plan and everything and saw the features, right, for every plan, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and just go to the account manager, okay? Log into your Bluehost and click the websites tab from the side navigation menu to the left, as we mentioned before, and then under advanced, go ahead and click manage under the cPanel section, and then scroll down and look for the metrics section and click the owl stats, okay? And basically you're gonna see it right here, the icon, you won't miss it. And you can use Webalizer is a complex statistics program that produces a variety of charts and graphs about who has visited your site, right? And you can use the right here the Webalizer, right, for analysis, or you can use, of course, the Google Analytics, which will take another step into our next video. But for now, you could use the Webalizer to basically track the traffic, to pin down the traffic, and how you can basically drive traffic to your website, okay? So you can see the measurements right here: unique visitors, the unique number of visitors, number of visits, pages, hits, and bandwidth, a total load of bandwidth that was consumed based on the ratio of website requests. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.